time. There you go. Watch for the stick. That's it. Look at that.
Nice.
See that? His right foot didn't even have anything to kick onto.
Oh, yeah.
But see, that's why you need. That's why you need those shoes, man. Or you go barefoot.
It feels like it's falling with the wind.
It's okay. We'll fix it after.
I think it's jabbing right into me, man.
Like the stick?
Yeah, man.
I'm telling you.
Jab it back.
Yeah.
Sword fight.
Oh gosh. Turn the other way.
Yeah.
Jordan. Turn the other way.
Yeah. Just take it from the back. You're used to that, right? See, look, he's already up there, man.
No.
Oh.
Hey, don't step on the stick.
Yeah, that stick's gonna break, man.
Yeah. Yeah, break that stick, man. I have really that stupid thing too now. Wind!
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 How moralizing is that?
That's so exhilarating, man.
Seriously.
That's it. There you go.
Alright, now I have no idea where to go.
Now you use your brain,
That's where I
man.
got stuck.
You gotta go to the right. Don't look to the left.
Yeah, go on the right. See the big slab of meat there? Right there. Yeah, you gotta go across there, man.
Can I do that?
Sure.
Try. You think you can do it.
Get your arm across the thing, the rope first.
Yeah, get your arm around the rope.
Get around the rope. Your hands.
Like the rope, I'm gonna have to let go. The rope, no, don't do that.
Grab on your left hand somewhere. There you go.
That's where I got stuck.
If you want to go left, go left.
He's backtracking. There you go. Sometimes you gotta look back first before you go up.
Doing good, man.
Why are we doing this? Why are we doing?
Wait a minute.
Look up and
Why are we doing this?
Am I supposed to wear a helmet?
Well, we have one right there. You're gonna wear one.
remember you'll swing into the tree a little bit.
Yeah, you got it. You got
That's
you got
it. Get in there.
Take your time, man. That's why I wore my shoes.
Behind you, there's chalk in your bag, like on your ass.
Nah. No, just try it.
You had it there. For
You
me,
had
though.
it.
You had it.
You almost had it. Just do it. Don't give up, man. It's like life, bro. Don't let go of life, man. Don't give up on love, bro. There! Go, monkey boy. Do it. That's it. Oh! That was awesome. Yeah, that was good. See? And
Oh!
What
Oh, I
happened?
felt that.
What happened?
His tailbone just right into the rock.
Ah, he's used to that.
Ouch.
His back.
Whoa, careful, careful.
Oh, he's drunk. Hey, JJ, careful, eh? Just sit still.
Yeah, beware that you'll swing into the tree.
All right, Lucky's next. Well, let's get Lucky out of the way, and then the girls will next.